Race number 5. Gates open, that up and racing. Jumping Jonah draws for your lead, then moving a party outside. Perfect Partner, Youngsta Gangsta, then running by the rail. Happy Land, Double Harmony, Bondi Babe, Sweet Carla, while Classic Quality is in behind them, heading towards the 600. We have two runners parting it out. Youngsta Gangsta now takes command. Perfect Partner in second, then Jumping Jonah drops back in third. Double Harmony now racing in fourth, then moving a party outside. Classic Quality running by the rail. Happy Land, Sweet Carla, Bondi Babe as they race at a final corner. We have Youngsta Gangsta, Double Harmony now moving a party outside and now grabbing the lead. Double Harmony now the leader by 2. Running in second, Youngsta Gangsta, Classic Quality, sorry, outside. Double Harmony, Classic Quality, but Double Harmony winning this race over Classic Quality. Youngsta Gangsta close between Happy Land and Jumping Jonah. Then comes number 7, Sweet Carla.